Jesus Freak here. I'm not sure sometimes why I do these videos this way. I mean, what's the point? You're seeing the same sights most of the time. Because, you know, I'm going to the same places, walking down the same streets. But, you know, gives people a little look around. Anyway, so yesterday I decided to fix myself some lunch. I had some instant rice I wanted to use up. You know, those Knorr packets used to be Lipton, and Unilever decided to change the branding. And the last time I had a package, I was like, you know, I like this, but it needs some almonds. So last time I was at the store, I went and bought some slivered almonds. And I went, you know, I was frying them a little bit to darken them up a little so they have a bit more complexity. So I was frying these almonds, and then the handle of my frying pan came off. I'm like, well, you know, I can't say I didn't see it coming, because that handle's been loose for a while. But it's like, you know, couldn't they have built it in such a way that it was fixable? You know, even if it were like screws or something that I could just grab a screwdriver and put it back together. So it's back to the store once again. I should at least be able to solve this little mishap. In the meantime, my sneakers is starting to fall apart. I mean, yeah. The soles were already mostly gone. That happened. So one of them was almost ripped out on the side. So I'm like, you know, I had to do something. So we'll see how that works out there in Phoenix, Arizona right now. Anyway, Jesus Freak out.